Good evening to all my subscribers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. Today we have a few currencies to look into. A couple of trades has really taken off, and I'm looking for second better pricing. And I just like to highlight that tomorrow is US non-farm payroll. That's why there's one of the trade euro dollar, which I'll be sharing shortly. I'm a bit skeptical to enter the trade, so I've missed the trade deliberately because later at 9:30 p.m. Singapore time, Mario is going to talk, and I'm not that comfortable to enter a trade just a couple of hours before he talked, you see. So I choose not to trade that. However, it has come to my target nicely and take off, and right now it's running at 40 over pips profit. So I just want to share that if any of the time that you are not comfortable in any trade, even you have did your analysis, even you have waited for that for the past 2 to 3 days, if there are news that's coming up that may affect your result, you're not comfortable with, just don't enter. It's perfectly fine. Alright, the first currency pair we're looking at is dollar yen. I am very bullish for dollar. Tomorrow non-farm payroll has been seen or forecasted will be a positive result. So I do expect dollar to appreciate. And on top of that, next week will be the US Federal Reserve this interest rate decision. Bloomberg has reported 90% possibility of a rate hike. So if there's a rate hike, that means the interest rate increase, dollar will appreciate even further. Alright, so for all of you who have missed this trade, as I have not shared with you guys due to this analysis was done really on spot. Right now, we can look for preferred price. Personally, I am looking to long dollar even more, so I am waiting for it to retest at this price 114.10. I'm looking to long. My target one profit I'm looking at is at 11460. That will be this region over here. So meaning to say that when the price came back down, went up, hit this price, I will put my stop loss to entry. Target, my initial stop loss is 113.18. My target 2 is 115.50, and final take profit level 118.50. That will be a good 400 over pips. Alright, and this trade I may keep it till the interest rate decision is over. And right now I have already placed my stop loss at entry level because I traded over here at this level. Let's zoom into 15 minutes. Alright, I entered at this price. Right now, this price over here, my stop loss is over here. Alright, that is dollar yen. Alright, the second currency pair we're looking at is euro dollar. As you can see, the market moved down, came back up, came back down again. The fact that I actually had long this currency before Janet Yellen has a press conference a few days back. So I earned around until it hit this price. I exited because I just not quite comfortable having a running trade when politicians are talking. So right now, the price that I have deliberately missed is over here. So at this price itself, 1.0524, I'm looking for a retest for it to come back down in this price. It shouldn't close lower than this. If it went below 1.0493 and close below it, based on a 1 hour chart itself, then this trade will be invalid. Alright, so if you went below, close below this price, this chart will be invalid. I have to wait until 9:30 p.m. When everything is over, maybe around 10:30 p.m. To make sure of that before I can engage. However, my stop loss and take profit will stay the same. Stop loss will be at 1.0443. Target 1 will be 1.0603. So at this price, I will not do any exiting of profit, but rather I'll shift my stop loss to entry. Target 1 itself 1.0666, target 2 1.0800, and target 3 1.1190. Alright, that will be euro dollar. Third currency we're looking at is euro yen. Euro yen, I'm looking for a short at 1.2184. 12184. Alright, that is the price I'm looking for a short. Okay, but I am waiting for a significant or rather a precise setup before I engage. First of all, it has to be after the press conference result. Alright, I have to wait for the market to went all the way up, came back down a bit, and we test the high over here. Alright, this has to be formed, and of course I'm looking for a short. I'm looking for it to come all the way down. Alright, my stop loss is at 123 flat. That will bring my stop loss to 120 pips. So for traders who don't like huge stop loss, stay away from this trade. Target 1 118.23, that will bring me to 357 pips of profit. Target 2 116.20, that will bring me 560 pips of profit. Final take profit level 113.60, 820 pips of profit. So in short, if it hit target 1, I have close to a 3:1 reward over risk ratio profile. If I hit a target 2 itself, I have even much more than that. Alright, so it's your take whether you want to get this trade, but always calculate your downside and accept your downside before you engage the trade. Always remember that. Last currency we're looking at together will be Australian Canadian dollar. For Australian Canadian dollar, I am waiting for it to hit 1.03. Alright, there will be this price over here is very close. However, I'm looking for a similar setup. Hit 1.03. It has to show me some kind of weaknesses first. Maybe it came back down to this price. Okay, previous resistance turned support. Went back up to retest it. And come all the way down. Alright. So my stop loss is at 1.0450. There'll be 150 pips of stop loss. Target 1 1.0127, 173 pips of profit. Target 2 1.0025. That will bring me to 275 pips of profit. Is 25 pips shy away from 2:1. I'm not going to do any changes to fit into that profile. Target 3 0.9850, that will bring you 450 pips of profit, and final take profit level 0.9660, that will bring you 640 pips of profit. This among of all the trades is the trade that I'm least comfortable with, only willing to risk not more than 1% of my capital for this. Alright, so once again, thanks for watching. My name is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. If you only get to see this video when all the trades has been taken off, it simply means that you might not be my subscriber. You might not be my subscriber. Alright, so to subscribe, the first month is only 10 Sing dollar. Alright, right now we are doing a huge promotion. If you like what you have been seeing and viewing for the past few months, do subscribe to us. And with that, great trading week ahead, guys. Tomorrow non-farm payroll. Do remember that there will be 9:30 PM Singapore time. Alright, all the best for all of you. Take care and lots of tips in return. Goodbye for now.